Imagine that every thought, every emotion, and every vibe you put out is basically like your money in bank account. Are you investing in your dream life, or are you spending it on things that actually drain you? Hey, my name is Sophie and I love talking about manifestation, feminine energy, and science behind it. And so if that's something you're interested in, make sure to stay tuned. And if you want to go deeper and have someone to help you with your manifestations, identify your limiting beliefs, then signing up to my coaching program is literally the best thing you could do. It's basically a cheat code to manifestation and to feminine energy. So what does it mean that your energy is your currency? Well, imagine that every day you spend your energy on things in your life. For example, your friends, your dream life, or social media. You are giving your power, your energy, your abundance to these things. So for example, if the first thing you do in the morning is open your Instagram or your TikTok and you start spending your currency, your energy in these algorithms, in these social media, you lose it. It's not within your hands, it's in the algorithm, in the social media. You have literally spent your currency on those things that actually bring you nothing because you have some abundance of energy within you. So let's say you have this amount of energetic currency, for example, $10,000. And when you wake up, you spend this amount of currency, for example, $2,000, on actually scrolling. That doesn't give you anything. And so you need to have all the energy for yourself, to give it to yourself or your visions. For example, your dream life, your family, your friends, your passions, your hobbies, but not things that actually drain you. Because we all know the saying, where attention goes, energy flows. Your currency flows. And so I'm asking yourself, how are you investing with your currency? So how I would answer to this question? Well, usually in the morning, I don't scroll. I do my hygiene, I do my skincare routine while I listen to high vibrational podcasts or music. If I have the time, I will do my yoga. I will give myself enough time to don't rush in the mornings. Because that's also an energetic drainer. Because you are thinking about, okay, I need to do all these things, and it's actually draining you. It's stressing you out. So I am giving myself time to not spend my energy, my currency, on stress. Because spending your energy on stress is basically like throwing it into bin. And you don't want that. So genuinely answer to this question. How are you investing? And if you feel like your answer isn't quite satisfying, you now know that you have some space to grow. And when we talk about manifestations, what are you focusing on? So for example, if you were manifesting, I don't know, a lover, a partner, are you spending your energy on how amazing it would be, on the feeling that you would have if you actually were in this relationship? Or are you spending it on the thoughts like, I am still waiting for them, they are still not here? So imagine two separate realities. One where you are with your partner and one where you're not. When you're imagining yourself being in the relationship and you're spending your currency on that vision, you are basically putting your energy to this reality with your partner. But when you're focusing on their absence, on the fact that they are still not here and you are still waiting, you are spending the currency on this reality, that they are absent. And so you get more of it because that's what you're focusing on. And so how to start investing your energetic currency? Well, first of all, know your vision. Know what you want to achieve and go after it. Focus on it. Even though you feel like it's not here yet, focus on it and do not think about its absence. You can also focus on your hobbies, on your passions, because that's basically focusing on you, because that passion is actually connected to you. And so when you're spending your currency on that passion, you're basically investing in yourself. You can also do that with self-love, with self-care. You can invest in yourself through caring for yourself. That's actually the reason why people after their breakups have amazing glow-ups, because they are focusing on themselves, because now they don't have the partner to be focusing on. So do that for yourself. Even though if you're in a relationship, start focusing more on yourself, on your passion, on your self-love, and on your vision, on your dream life. You can have a vision board. This is my vision board, and that is also great because you can actually use your senses for manifestations. Because every time I wake up, this is my bed, every time I wake up, I am looking on this vision board and I'm seeing my vision. I am seeing my dream lives. And so I am focusing on it. I'm spending my energy, I am investing my energy in my dream life. And so that's something I would also recommend. And one other thing, When you start investing in your dream life, in yourself, you will start to have that energetic income. Imagine yourself working a 9-to-5 job and you have some income, right? And every week, every month, you get that income to your bank account. But now when you're investing your energetic currency in yourself, you should see the income too, and you will. So how could it look like for you? For me, it's usually change of mood. So for example, I am much more positive. I am much more happy and energetic. I feel like everything is easy. I am filled with ideas. And also what happens is that when you invest in your dream life, in your manifestation, you start to see the synchronicities. For example, you are manifesting your dream car. And now everywhere you go, you see that car. But you know that you haven't seen the car, for example, 2 weeks ago. But since you've been working and investing in your vision, in the dream car, you are now seeing it. And that is the synchronicity. Your friends might be talking about that car too. And that's basically seeing that energetic income. So start to ask yourself, in what ways does that income show up in my life, now that I have invested in myself, in my vision? And if you're still having the problem that you cannot focus on your dream reality, on your manifestations, and not actually seeing the bad circumstances, the negative circumstances, you want someone to help you with your limiting beliefs, someone to identify them for you and tell you what to do next. I have a limited offer. For the first 3 people to sign up to my private one-on-one coaching sessions, get those sessions for free. And so if you're feeling called to do so, do not waste your time, because someone could be faster than you. So you can look in the box below, set up the meeting, or you can DM me on my Instagram and we can set up the meeting there. And so I hope you love this video, because I did, and let me know in the comments, where are you investing your energy? And how are you going to change after watching this video? So have an amazing day, happy manifesting, and bye.